I don't know what time of the night it is right now. I'm extremely tired. I landed today. I had no time to breathe. There were so many things that kept happening, and I was part of all of those. And I'll tell you all about it later. But right now there is something that I need to open. This is my package, wherein I ordered few jewelry for some of my outfits for the wedding, and I'm just, let's see if these actually will work for me. I'm really hoping it does, because at this point I'm really tired, and I haven't slept for more than 24 hours, actually more than 36 hours or something. Let's see, what do we have here? Wait 1 second, let me adjust. Yeah, this is better. Okay, so the first thing is this, and it looks decent, manageable. See, this is a neck piece along with earrings, so it's a set and it's gonna work. Then I have another. Okay, these are not good. I'm not at all confident about this. I don't like it. I already don't like it. But let's see. Yeah, I mean, not bad. Maybe not. Not a fan, to be honest. And the last one is this. What's with yellow color? I don't know, I just don't like it. Yeah. This. I guess I can manage it. I'll wear one of these, whichever I feel is something that I can do, I will. For now, I am just keeping these back. Okay, small update, I got my nails done. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Yes, right, these are simple but neutral shades, so it will go on everything. Doesn't look, so if you see from here, it looks nice only. I would say not very happy with it, but good enough. I can make it work. So rest, I have an early morning tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to the resort, and over there I have to finish my dance practice. I have been doing it, but there were multiple parts of the songs that were just left unattended. So more or less I have those now, and I need to practice that. That's it for now, and I will update you very soon. seated in a place which is called Greenleaf. We are here for lunch and we are going to the wedding venue. A lot has happened since morning. I was extremely hungry, so we just had our lunch and I did not have breakfast. I haven't slept for I don't know how long now, but we need to get things going. That's what we are doing. So we have 4 cars along with us because I'm sure you guys have seen or will see very soon in this video only the amount of stuff that we are carrying. And so yes, so to manage all of that, we are all in different cars and we have our luggage put in different cars divided. But for now, we are all settled and this was a nice place to have lunch, although the service is extremely slow, which is something that we expected, and we are not running according to our schedule. By the way, this was our official last meal as a family. Second last, I think. Last is tonight, and then from tomorrow we will have guests and then my sister will be married. So then you know what I'm saying, right? Good morning. I just saw the sunrise. I don't know if you can see it. The sun is there, trust me. But good morning to all of you. We are now settled in the resort. So to give you a slight context, my sister is getting married. Before that, I'm Malvika Prasad. And I think this will be somewhere in the middle of the vlog, but you will know me just in case you forget. So yes, we are now settled in the resort. We came yesterday. Today is when the actual events with all our guests will begin. So some of them are coming around breakfast time, which is 8:39, and so I am up not to attend them, to be honest, but I wanted to just have a moment to myself, and I got lucky that I could see the sunrise today. Now it feels so much better. So yesterday, a lot of things happened, and I told you guys I'll tell you properly. Let me just sit somewhere and then I'll tell you. Yes, so now I'm settled and I can tell you what all things happened. So let's begin. On the day I arrived, I directly landed because I knew there was a puja at my place. We were beginning all the rituals. So we did the puja and few guests came over, so we had lunch, and by that time it was around, I don't know, 3:34. Then I went to parlor. I had a few things to do. I got that done. Then I got my nails done. And then we had to pick up I don't remember. We had to pick up a few things. So was it somebody's dress or something? I think yeah. And then we got stuck in traffic for 1 hour inside the city. So because of that, everything got delayed. We came back and I had no time to even try my dress. If you guys remember the dress that did not fit me well. So I told you guys about it. We had to give it to them. They took my measurements, and I was hoping this time it would fit, but I had no time to even try it. Then I had my dance practice, because now me and my sister, we had to coordinate. So we were doing that. Then my parents were also practicing. We had to complete our packing. So we have around 9 suitcases along with us. So we packed all of that night, and I slept after 1:30. I was up early morning yesterday. Now yesterday was the day when we were supposed to come to the resort, and uh, we decided to leave around 11 a.m. Now we just had to buy shoes for my father, because somehow he was just not able to finalize on his shoes for one of the outfits. So I think he needed me. I'm telling you, he needed me to help him out, to tell him that no, this will look good, and just go with it. So that was the plan, that we will just pick that up and then we'll get ready and leave. Now I tried my dress. It did not fit. It just did not fit, and not even something that I could manage with. It was so loose. Yeah, people who are skinny like me have faced this issue a lot. So then we went back to the shop, but they generally don't open till 10:30 or 11 hours. So, and like I told you guys, we had to leave at 11. So that became completely impossible. And then we realized that so we have 2 cars, and we were taking one out of the 2, and we had called for 2 more cars, so 3 in total. Then we felt that our luggage is so much, not just suitcases were just the small part of it. There were so many things. My sister's dresses, those are huge, and we did not put them in suitcases. They were all separate, because we can't afford to do, and if we can't, nothing can go wrong with the dresses. So then we called for 1 more car. So now we had 4 cars. But while my dress was getting fixed, it finally got fixed, by the way. And then when we came back, it was 12. So then me and my father, we quickly got ready, and then we started loading everything in the cars. So by now we had 4 cars standing in a line, wherein we were all of us were putting stuff in each of the cars, and we were planning that what's the best way to keep where to keep what, basically. Then each of us came in 4 different cars, because we had drivers for 3 cars, so we had to be there. And it's funny, but basis on the value of the things that we had, we allotted people in the car. So my mom especially, she is someone who will so she will take care of things. Obviously moms are the best, but in terms of this transit, if something would have gone wrong, she would have probably called us. So then we asked her to go into the car, which did not have extremely valuable stuff. Just, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So basis on the importance, we sat in 4 different cars, and to be honest, I loved that ride. It was fun for me. No family fights inside the car, because the family is divided into different cars. So that was nice. And but then we came here. I changed. Yes, once we came here, I saw the room allotment list. Guys, I don't know what went wrong, but the list was not right. Then I changed all of it all over again, and that took a lot of time. Then we finally, me and my sister finalized our practice, because there were 2-3 steps that we had missed. So we did that completely and finished it. Then my close relatives were here. They came before us. We were supposed to welcome them, but they are family only. So they came slightly before us, and so then we spent some good time with them. We spoke to the people in the resort, we spoke to the decorator as to how the decoration is going. We checked all of that, and again, while all of this was getting done, so it became 1:30. So another thing is that I am the coordinator for everything. So if anything goes wrong, or if anybody needs any clarification, I am the point of contact. And then we have escalation metrics. Fancy. Yeah, all the planning is fancy, but the execution part is the most difficult one, I'm telling you. And then, so now we have our car parked here, which still has stuff, because today we'll be moving to our actual rooms. Yesterday we shifted to rooms that were available as per the resort. Now today it's as per our allotment. So soon we will shift, but I got ready to have breakfast so that I can have breakfast at peace. And you know, I'll be having breakfast with not my sister, my first cousins, which is something with extremely rare moment. So we'll enjoy the breakfast together, and I don't know if I will be able to catch up with you guys after that, but I'll definitely try to give you guys as much update as I can. And yes, okay, so I'll get back to you. By the way, I think I just forgot to show you my nails, so I'll show it to you now. Wow, it looks so pretty. I love this. So I think the other day when I told you guys that I'm not very happy with it, no, I think I am. Hi. Okay, so I am in my mehendi, in my sister's mehendi. I am in the outfit for my sister's mehendi. Yes. Okay, I will try to show you. Wait. I'm not sure if you guys could see it. Okay. So I am in the mehendi outfit, and trust me, I'm sweating like anything. I got ready in the morning, and I also have a chunni, by the way, which is kept there. I have thrown it away, and I just came in a room to take I need some air, trust me, because I was sweating like anything. I needed a break, and I'm also meeting the guests, which I love. This is the part that I really love. I love to meet people, and that's what I'm doing. And then after this, the mehndi function will begin along with lunch. But for now, I'm not sure if you guys are if you were able to see my outfit, but this is what it is. And right now I just need to chill, relax, so that I can be normal outside. So I will see you guys soon. Bye.